Okay,
Hello
guys.
guys. Today we're gonna color no drawing Pomni. Because later when Papa finished that drawing, we're gonna color. So, anyways, Pomni was my favorite character. She's from the little circus. She was a jester. So Pomni was very nervous. But the brother said that she has to give up not talking about the exit door again. But Honey tried finding the exit door just like Pablo. But Pablo was extracted later then.
So, do you really like Pomni as a character?
I'm gonna tell you a secret why Pony is my favorite. Because the red reminds me of because her colors remind me of our country.
Mm-hmm.
The color was actually the same in the country.
Yeah, it's our flag.
Yeah, and the colors of Honey, it's the same.
Yeah, there is a red and blue and yellow.
Her skin is white, just like
Yeah.
Pablo.
Oh, his hand.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah.
Okay, almost halfway.
Yep, almost hungry. Oh, guys, we can make another video, but we're gonna make another video, but we're gonna draw Brigada tomorrow.
Yeah.
Plus, it's actually my elder's brother's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, we invite you guys. We're going to make a very good video tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna make Regatta. Regatta is a nice dog. But anyways, I'm gonna talk about Pomni. So Pomni is a tester. So she was a girl. Yeah, I know Jax. Jax was an annoying bunny. He's playing
Is he
he's
Pomni's friend? Just?
Jack.
Oh, wow.
No. Pomni doesn't
Oh, it's
like Jack.
done. It's done now. We're going to color this next.
Yeah, we
After
can
this,
do
we're going
it.
to color it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Tomorrow in the video tomorrow gonna say drink birthday cake tomorrow. So we gonna check the things. We have to finish the unit, make sure it's good.
Yeah.
And my doctor I'm I know what
Okay, guys, we're going to color this now. We're going to color her coat with red, a little bit of his eyes, and then her shirt.
um
Did I get that?
that
Okay, next is blue.
smell like blueberries.
So here, we're going to color it with blue.
We're gonna color blue again.
Yeah. Now it's getting shade now. You can see the beauty of his dress.
Some shadows later.
Yeah.
The darker red. Do it
Okay.
later.
Next, we're going to color the yellow part.
That's right. Oh, it's not red. It's yellow.
Yeah,
You
it's
forgot.
yellow now.
You forgot that it's red.
We're coloring it now with yellow, guys. It's almost like a golden yellow.
It's not golden yellow.
You can see it. It's now like our flag, the Philippine flag.
Yeah.
It has red, blue, and yellow.
Actually doesn't. I'm not grand Filipino. I don't know why, but I'm good in English. Well, I'm good in Filipino bit, right? Blue, white, blue, one is actually
You have
good
to
at.
study Filipino language because you're a Filipina,
Yeah,
not just English. Okay, almost done.
soon I'm gonna be grade 3 because I don't go to school anymore.
Okay.
So I'm gonna because
We're going now for the shades.
by the way, I just found out today that when it's 2025, I'm grade 3 in 2025. Like that, so let's add some darker blue to it.
Some shadings.
Yeah. And the shadows.
Shadows. Let's add it.
Add it to the honey
Yeah.
height. Yeah. By the way, my father is didn't want to put eyelashes in Bonnie because he has eyelashes in the circus episode. By the way, there's
Yeah, but those eyelashes will make her a little ugly. We want her to be beautiful, so
yeah
we will skip the eyelashes.
yeah we will do it. By the way, by the way, there's only one. By the way, there's actually new characters in the circus too, like Princess Lulu. She was actually a candy princess. What's that?
Okay, we're almost done now.
Oh yeah, bunny arms are very stretched.
Yeah.
Like that. It was so funny. Kinger tried to sing funny, but the boat did actually bounce her head and put in the other truck and it was pushing like that. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, thank you for being with us for drawing and coloring
Make sure to
funny.
subscribe this video and we'll make another one, but you got that tomorrow.
Yeah.
So goodbye guys.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.